In this video, we will explore the top 5 features of Claude that make refactoring legacy code efficient and practical for developers looking to modernize old codebases. Did you know that over 70% of software developers spend their time dealing with legacy code? Welcome to our exploration of Claude's top 5 features that make refactoring these old codebases not just possible, but incredibly efficient. In the next 15 minutes, we will delve into how Claude's intelligent tools can transform your development process, equipping you with the skills to tackle even the most stubborn legacy systems.
Claude's intelligent code analysis feature is a game changer for developers working with legacy systems. It automatically scans your code to identify inefficiencies and potential areas of improvement. Imagine receiving a detailed report that highlights exactly where your code is lagging and what can be optimized. This not only speeds up the understanding process but also reduces the time spent on manual code reviews. With data-driven insights at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions to enhance your code's performance, ultimately leading to a more efficient development workflow. One of the most lauded features of Claude is its seamless integration with popular integrated development environments, IDEs, such as Visual Studio Code and IntelliJ IDEA. This integration means you no longer have to switch between various tools, enhancing your productivity significantly. Imagine having real-time code suggestions and automated routine tasks directly within your IDE. This not only saves time but also reduces the cognitive load, allowing you to focus on more complex tasks. By integrating Claude into your workflow, you can streamline your coding process and boost overall efficiency. Customizability is at the heart of Claude's refactoring features. With the ability to write your own refactoring scripts, you can automate specific tasks that are unique to your project. This feature gives you the flexibility and control needed to tailor the refactoring process to your exact needs. Not only does this save time on repetitive tasks, but it also improves code consistency across different projects. By leveraging customizable scripts, you can ensure that your code remains clean and efficient, no matter how complex the legacy system you're dealing with. Claude's real-time feedback and suggestions feature is like having a coding mentor by your side. As you make changes to your code, Claude provides instant feedback and suggestions for improvements. This immediate response helps reduce debugging time and significantly improves the overall quality of your code. By encouraging best coding practices, Claude ensures that your refactored code is not only functional but also robust and maintainable. This feature is particularly useful for developers looking to elevate their coding standards while working on legacy systems.
Understanding the intricate web of dependencies in a legacy codebase can be daunting. Claude's dependency mapping feature provides a visual representation of these relationships, simplifying even the most complex codebases. By identifying potential conflict areas and improving code readability, this feature aids in making strategic refactoring decisions. With a clear view of your code structure, you can tackle refactoring with confidence, ensuring that your changes lead to a more streamlined and efficient codebase.
Let's delve into some real-world case studies that showcase the power of Claude in action. From a leading e-commerce platform that saw a 30% improvement in loading times to a healthcare application that enhanced its data processing capabilities, Claude has proven its worth across various industries. These examples not only highlight improved performance and efficiency but also demonstrate how Claude's tools can be applied to diverse projects. By adopting Claude's features, you're not just refactoring code, you're transforming the way your software operates.
Refactoring legacy code is fraught with challenges, but being aware of common pitfalls can save you from costly mistakes. One major error is skipping thorough testing, which can lead to unforeseen bugs in your refactored code. Ensuring effective communication within your team is also crucial, as it helps align goals and ensures that everyone is on the same page. Embracing continuous learning and adapting to new strategies can further mitigate risks. By understanding these pitfalls and employing strategies to avoid them, you can refine your refactoring approach and achieve better results. As we look to the future, several exciting trends are emerging in the world of code refactoring. AI-driven tools continue to rise, offering unprecedented levels of automation and precision. There's also a growing focus on code sustainability, ensuring that refactored code is not only efficient but also environmentally friendly. Cloud technologies are enhancing collaboration, allowing teams to work seamlessly across borders. With these innovations, a shift towards continuous refactoring practices is becoming the norm, emphasizing the importance of security in the refactoring process. Staying ahead of these trends will ensure that your development practices remain cutting edge.
As we conclude, it's evident that Claude offers transformative tools for refactoring legacy code. By equipping developers with advanced features, Claude encourages ongoing learning and adaptation, promoting efficient and modern coding practices. We invite you to share your thoughts and experiences with Claude in the comments below. What features have worked best for you? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights on mastering legacy code challenges.